Take a look at this channel. It has around 24,000 followers. Just look at the type of content they post. They simply upload rust cleaning videos, and this type of content is making them thousands of dollars. This is their Instagram page, and they also post the same content on TikTok and YouTube. If you scroll through their posts, you'll notice that every video follows the same concept. Here is a sample of their post. As you can see, the cleaning process is extremely satisfying to watch. In this video, I'll show you how to create the same type of rust cleaning short videos. First, open the prompt document provided in the description. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. After you press enter, ChatGPT will generate 10 ideas for rusted objects that you can use in your videos. For this example, I'll choose a rusted horseshoe, so I'll type option number 9 and press enter. ChatGPT will then generate a detailed image prompt along with a video prompt. Wait until the prompts are fully generated. Once it's done, copy the image prompt first. Now, open a tool called Flow AI, also known as Google's Flow AI, and create a new project. Make sure to use the same settings that I show in the video. After that, paste the image prompt and press enter so the image generation starts. Wait until the images are generated. You will usually get 4 different images. From these, choose the one you like the most. In this case, I think the first image looks better than the others, so I'll select the first one. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Then return to Flow AI, select the image you chose, and paste the video prompt there. Also, change the number of outputs to 1 so that your credits are not wasted. The Flow AI interface has recently changed, and it's now easier to use than before. Now the video has been generated. Let's play it so you can see the result. As you can see, the cleaning process looks very satisfying. To create a full short video, you can generate 3 or 4 clips like this. Each clip will be around 8 seconds long, then combine them together and add copyright-free music. After that, you can upload the final video to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. That's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more underrated niche ideas for creating short videos. Thank you.